Hello children, we are back to chapter number 2 of standard 8, that is linear equation in one variable. Up till now we have completed exercise 2.3. Let us begin with exercise 2.4. Here in this exercise you have more real life examples to be solved. First of all, we'll try to understand the real life example, then we'll try to connect it to mathematics. Once connected, we'll try to frame an equation, that is, all real life problems being solved with the help of mathematics. Let's start our work. First question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So you can see this is some sort of logical question. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So it's a puzzle for you. Now we are going to convert this puzzle into a mathematical statement and we'll get the number. Let's see how. Let's begin with the solution. As we know, we'll consider the number to be x. Obviously, you have other alphabets also. So you actually have a choice to go for any of those variables. Preferably, we always go for x. But it is not at all any compulsion. For now, let us consider the number she thought of, that is Amina thought of, to be x. Now, the condition is Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So, x is her number and 5 by 2 is being subtracted. So, it will be, the number obtained will be x minus 5 by 2. Then she is multiplying. She multiplies the result by 8. Whatever solution she gets, that number is multiplied by 8. So 8 is now multiplied by x minus 5 by 2. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. 3 times the number will be 3x. So this is our equation. Puzzle converted into an equation. So x minus 5 by 2 is the number and out of it 5 by 2 is subtracted and to that number 8 has been multiplied. And the solution that she got, it was 3 times the number, so equal to 3x. Now this is simple mathematics, linear equation in one variable. Let's solve it out. Whatever is x is your answer. So bracket is opened. 8 is initially multiplied by x and then multiplied by 5 by 2 with that minus sign in between. Now, this is how you will try to solve it further. And finally, you get x equal to 4. So the number she was thinking of, the number is 4. The second question now. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the number, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So there are 2 numbers now. Which are those? A positive number is 5 times the another number. So the solution will take the first statement as let the number be x and the other number obviously will be 5x because it is 5 times the number. So now you have 2 numbers, x and 5x. Now we are going to add 21 to both the number. So we'll have it as x plus 21, 5x plus 21. And we are told that one of those new number will become twice, that is 2 times the other number. Children, you can easily understand here that x will be smaller. We are considering the positive numbers. So x will be smaller and 5x will be the larger of the two. So we have written 5x plus 21 equal to 2 times the smaller number, that is x plus 21. The next is opening the bracket, taking the variables and all on the one side, constants on the other side, and then we will solve. Here 5x plus 21 equal to 2x plus 42. This is obtained by opening the bracket. Then you try solving it. You get x to be equal to 7. And children, this x was the first number. So our first number is 7. And the other number was? Yes, it was 5 times the given number. That is 5 into 7 equal to 35. Now the next number, the next question. Third one, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So here you have a 2-digit number. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Children, as the question starts, it is told that you have a 2-digit number. Now on the right hand side you can see I have taken two numbers 24 and 56 for your understanding. 24 can be written as 20 plus 4, which can be further written as in the expanded form as 2 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So the tens place is multiplied by 10 and ones place is multiplied by 1. The same thing is done for 56. That is written as 50 plus 6. So it is 5 into 10. So 5 was there in the tens place, it is multiplied by 10. And 6 was there in the ones place, it is multiplied by 1. Now with this knowledge we'll proceed. We have to consider the 2-digit number. Initially, let us begin with 1 digit. So the solution starts as, let the units place digit be x. So there are 2 digits. Say if it is 24, in the fourths place we have this x. That is how it is units place or ones place to be x. Now sum of the two number is 9. It is flashed over with those ovals written over there. X plus some number gives you 9. Sum of two number is 9. So the another number will be 9 minus x. X will move to the other side, that is x will be transposed to the next side. So the second number, that is the number on the tens place, will be 9 minus x. This is what we have got. Now as we have seen these two examples 24 and 56, the digit that is on in the tens place, it is multiplied by 10. So this 9 minus x will be multiplied by 10 and the digit in the units place will be multiplied by 1. So x will be multiplied by 1 and then these two numbers will be added. That's what we have done. And here the original number becomes 10 multiplied by 9 minus x plus x. So I hope you have understood this statement. Now the rest is all mathematical. Open the bracket and the original number is now written as 90 minus 9x. This is your first equation. Then you are told that the digits are interchanged. The digits are interchanged, that is why x now becomes tens place digit and 9 minus x comes to units place. So 10 is now multiplied by x, 10x plus 9 minus x. Open the bracket, and solve it out. The new number is 9x plus 9. Now, one more condition was given. The condition was the new number is equal to the original number plus 27. So, quickly substitute them. So, 9x plus 9 will be equal to 90 minus 9x plus 27. That's what it's written. The rest is all mathematical. Go on opening the bracket and solve for x. This is what x is. X equal to 6. And children, as you have started, you have written x to be the digit in the ones place. So, we have 6 in ones place. That is units place. And the digit in the tens place will be 9 minus x, that is 3. So, our number is 36. One more example. This we will be considering in the next video to come, but this next example is also regarding two-digit number. So, when you try to understand this one, you will keep the last question, that is question number 3, in your mind. This is how we will continue with the next question and the similar theory in the coming video. Thank you for now.